Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, it's been a while since I've had the time to do a video for you, but today I have a very exciting one. Today I have an unboxing video. So, I don't usually buy cosplays a lot because I like to make them myself. But this time I just figured it'd be easier to buy, and so I gave it a shot. Now this costume I bought is from it's called Miccostumes. I got this particular costume on sale for about $20 plus shipping. So this is the package. Okay. And this is how it comes, nicely packaged with the logo. I think that's very cute. Okay, the first thing that comes here are have a cute little wristband. It's very comfortable, very cute, very cute. It also comes with the earrings. Okay, those are looking a lot better than I expected them to do. I think they are clip-on earrings. And it also came with crown now. This is looking, dare I say, very cheap. Very, very cheap. Not that I necessarily mind. I'm gonna be replacing the crown. Anyways, I had one of my good trusted friends make me one. So this is just I don't know, a backup crown until I receive hers. It looks very awkward, but I think you could definitely use it. It's a lot better than other things I could have imagined. They could have made it a lot worse. So I actually don't think it's bad for a casual small cosplay, which this is after all. Then there's the dress. Let's take a look at it. So it comes with the medallion right here. It's basically just a big button. It's actually quite cute. I expected to be replacing this, but actually I might not. I might do a little bit of weathering and stuff, but I don't think it's necessarily replace. I don't think I necessarily need to replace it. It comes with an invisible zipper sewn down the fabric quite seamlessly. Actually, it's very well sewn. I'm a bit shook about how well the quality actually is. The fabric is quite nice. It's stretchy but not shiny, which is good because they do not have a lot of sizes. And as many of you might be able to tell, I'm quite plus size. So there is a chance this won't fit. This is their biggest size, and it should be very stretchable. So I should be able to, but I might not. Now they've done the bottom part with some kind of fake leather. I don't necessarily appreciate the texture, but I do think it's very well sewn. They did a lot of work to place the seams right here in the seam, which I think is nice that they put a bit of work into those small details. This fabric down here is satin, and it's very beautiful. It gives a little bit of shine, and it's very cute. I think what's the next step is to actually try it on. So this is how the costume looks on. It's actually very well fitting. It was a bit difficult to put on by myself, but I managed. As I mentioned before, the crown is quite ridiculous, but it's cute nonetheless. The earrings were incredibly difficult to put on with the small clip ones, but again I managed to. The dress is well fitting, very comfortable. I will not recommend wearing them without shorts because it is very short. But it is in the game, so it's very well fitting, and I really enjoy it. That is my final thoughts of it. Surprisingly well sewn, very well made for the price. Small details could be improved, but you could improve those yourself. I would replace the crown. I am going to replace the crown. I am going to give the earrings a bit of touch-up. I will be recommending this kind of costumes from Miccostumes. This is very nice, and I'm very, very satisfied about my purchase. So yes, that is all I had for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Happy cosplay. Bye.